On the IT side, we initiated the People's Information Technology Program, and I'm glad to inform you that 14,565 students with market-ready digital skills have been trained in IT. This has been done in the three institutions, the NED University, Mehran University, and Sakkar IBA. More than 40% were females in Sakkar and 62% in MUET, Mehran University, had rural participation. In phase 2, in the next financial year, we plan to train 35,000 students. So the major financial commitment for education in the current financial year was rupees 7.5 billion for free textbooks. We have kept rupees 5 billion for the next financial year. Rupees 15.6 billion spent by a Sindh Education Foundation, enhanced to rupees 19.1 billion in the next year. Rupees 800 million for girls' student stipends, 2 billion for school furniture, 1.2 billion for school management committees, 4.2 billion for Aspire program. Next year it is going to be 5.5 billion. 34.6 billion spent on higher education. Next year we've increased it to 42 billion rupees. Rupees 26.3 billion for educational development projects. 8.7 billion for early learning and rupees 5 billion for secondary school rehab. So the notable achievements are early childhood care and education policy with UNICEF support, introduction of student attendance monitoring system, adopt a school program where 202 schools are adopted by 94 parliamentarians, 1,302 new school buildings completed, 5,243 schools under restoration post-flood via World Bank ADP. So we have also completed the first census of private school, enforcing 10% free-ship policy, benefiting over 16,350 students. These interventions underscore our commitment to inclusive and equitable education under SDG 4. Sir, I'll move on to key achievements in water conservation. In our drive for water efficiency, 24 lining schemes covering 299 miles were completed, conserving 478 cusecs of water, enough to irrigate an additional 250,000 acres. A further 36 schemes of 506 miles are underway, valued at rupees 36 billion. So we are looking to climate resilience and emergency response. The province has witnessed 6 major floods in the past 12 years, including the devastating floods of 2010 and 2022. To enhance resilience, Sindh launched the Sindh World Bank supported program, Flood Emergency Rehabilitation Program, with a total cost of rupees 61.57 billion. Key actions include 26 new ADP schemes with an estimated cost 34.92 billion, updated regional flood risk plans for left and right banks of river. Our government is currently executing multiple strategic projects with international partnership and domestic financing, including the Sindh Barrages Improvement Project, the Sindh Resilience Project, the Sindh Water and Agriculture Transformation Project, the Makhi Parash Link Canal Project, Shahid Benazir Bhutto Sweet Water Project, Solar Tube Well Installation Project, linking of Kalri Bagar Feeder, Upper and Pinjar Lake. So in the Works and Services Department, our performance is that we took a massive portfolio of 800 schemes under the annual development plan with a total allocation of rupees 55.19 billion, of which to date rupees 48.5 billion has been successfully utilized. Key milestones include 326 schemes to be completed by June 2025 and 2,957 kilometers of road network to be completed. Through collaboration with Federal PSDP, we are doing 5 major roads, which include the coastal highway, the Rodi to Guddu Barrage, 150 kilometer improvement of roads, dualization of Kandola Yard to Kandomohat Khan Road, construction of additional carriageway around Mehran Highway from Nawab Shah to Ranipur, improvement of road from Sangha to National Highway, which is a 221-kilometer road. So the ADB funded flood emergency assistance program, we are rehabilitating